So greetings and salutations, my lovely peeps. Welcome to Jamaica. I'm your boy Ja, or should I say Mr. Smellgood, because I'm gonna change the name soon. So today I will be doing a unboxing and first impression with the lovely Sophie from Sophie Sam, and I'm gonna get two opinions on this one. All right, so it's gonna be her opinion and also the big man Adrian himself. So let's get straight into it. Take it away.
And they were taking just way too long for my liking, you understand?
Come on, honey, Adrian, come on.
I don't know, I'm not waiting on you.
Well, let's get a test strip quickly.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Alright, so you can take it out and show them. Guys, I couldn't wait.
Armaf's version of Baccarat Rouge 540.
Lord God, me wonder how this is going to smell now. I've been hearing
Ladies and
raving reviews,
gentlemen,
so we're going to tell you exactly what we
are
think
you
about
ready?
this.
I've been.
You want this or you want this?
No, I don't do that.
Ladies before gentlemen.
Oh, sweet Jesus. This is to die for. Believe
Hold
me.
on.
Let the guys tell you. I'm telling you because it really smells good.
Yo.
This is fabulous.
Oh, smell it. I'm not gonna lie. I won't lie to you guys. But first, the bottle. Yo, the accent on it, amazing.
Yeah,
Love the bottle. The presentation,
nice.
really, really nice.
Nice.
The scent,
To die for.
yo.
It reminds me more of Instant Crush though.
Yes.
Yes.
I was just
Yes,
about to say,
yes.
it don't smell 100% like
the
Baccarat.
It smells good though, you know.
Smells
very
like
good.
Instant Crush, as I mentioned.
And it does smell more like Instant Crush, to
Definitely.
be
Tongue
honest.
twist.
Yes, I'm tongue-tied and tongue-twisted. It really smells good.
I wouldn't say this is a Baccarat clone, in all
No.
honesty.
No.
It's more of a,
Instant Crush.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even say Instant Crush either, but it smells closer to Instant Crush
than
than
it does
Baccarat to me.
Baccarat 40, 540, to be honest.
Yo, it smells more of a spin-off of Baccarat. Something,
Close,
yo, it's not, not the skin.
close, but not 100% close.
Ooh, look on the concentration.
This is good, yeah, because you can say
This are definitely Instant Crush. This is
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, and the thing about this that I like so far,
you
it
can't
did
spray a lot
catch,
though.
no, it did catch the Baccarat latex opening. But more from smell it on the paper,
Yeah.
it leans more to the
Instant
Instant Crush,
Crush.
which is from Mansera.
Which definitely means though, you know, if you do get it, you don't need to spray the whole bottle. You just
Yeah.
need about 3 sprays because the concentration is very greasy. So that means that EDP.
No, but the
status in
thing
it,
about this now is, even though it smells closer to Instant
Instant
Crush,
Crush.
what I get from this one is that it's not as refined or smooth as Instant Crush though.
oh well, it doesn't.
But it does smell, it does have the Baccarat reminiscent vibe, but not the exact same thing for me, in my opinion, or in our opinion, all three of
yes,
us.
yeah, we all agree. We all
So
agree.
them asks, what is a good Baccarat dupe?
A good Baccarat dupe, you can either try from Maison Alhambra, it's called Baroque Rogue, or you can even try Alexandra Fragrances Interplay. Another one you could try as well is from Flaunt Rouge as well. Really, really nice. But this, guys,
It's really good.
try it for yourself. You might like it or you might not like it, but try it before you purchase it, alright?
Yeah.
So that's it for my quick first impression unboxing with Sophie and Adrian. So we just want to say thank you so much for the support as always, and stay
Thanks
tuned
for
the
being
next
here,
one.
guys.
Yo.
This is
nice.
amazing.
So I put up
Well, you can put it in.